Hello, my name is Brian Lazat. I am one of Northeast Electrical Distributors Automation Solutions Managers. Today I would like to welcome you to our how-to series of WebExes. Today's topic will be how to find drawings and models for Apex Dynamics gearboxes. After completing a motion analyzer sizing of your application, we came up with a VPL B0631U motor along with the Apex Dynamics inline planetary gearbox AB42020. Where do we find these models? Well, we'll go to the Apex Dynamics USA website, and then we will click on the Gearbox Design tool. So from your Explorer page, we want to go to Apex Dynamics USA. Once we get there, we will click on the Gearbox Design tool, which is in orange in the center of the screen. When we get into the Design tool, we're going to select the Allen Bradley brand servo motor, along with the model, which we said was a VPL B0631U. After selecting those, we'll click Next. Then we can select the Apex Dynamics series of gearbox, and we said it was going to be the AB series of inline planetary gearbox. Select Next. And at this screen, it will pop up the first available size in gearbox, and which just happens to be the one we're looking for, which is the AB42, but we could go up larger if we chose. And then we can select our ratio, which we said was going to be a 20:1. And then you can select your shaft options, whether you want it to be a smooth shaft output or a keyed shaft. We'll stay with the keyed shaft. And finally, you would select your backlash, whether you wanted standard backlash, reduced backlash, or micro backlash in that planetary. Once you've done that, we can click on the check dimensions. It will give us a picture of what the motor would look like. It will give us the ordering string, exactly how we have to order it from Apex Dynamics, and will give us locations where we could pull down a PDF, a dimension PDF drawing, or SolidWorks models, DXF files, or IGES files. That is how you would find the correct Apex Dynamics gearbox model for your motor and application. Should you have any further questions or require additional assistance, please call Northeast Electrical Distributors at 781-401-8500 and ask for industrial tech support.